Greetings. Few days ago we did a project in our school in which we created a miniature model of Barrel Toroid, and this presentation is going to be about Barrel Toroid.
The first agenda of our presentation is Introduction to CERN, and then we'll go with Fundamental Particles of Matter, and then we'll tell you what is LHC, and the next is Structure and Function of Barrel Toroid, and at last we'll tell you some mind-blowing facts about LHC.
So, let's begin our presentation with the introduction to CERN. CERN stands for European Council for Nuclear Research. At CERN, scientists probe the fundamental structure of particles that make up everything around us. They do so using the world's largest and most complex scientific instruments. Founded in 1954, the CERN laboratory sits astride the Franco-Swiss border near Geneva. It was one of Europe's first joint ventures and now has 22 member states.
Fundamental particles of matter. The fundamental particles of matter are classified into two groups, fermions and bosons. Fermions include quarks and leptons, while bosons include gluons and photons.
Now let's define the fundamental particles of matter. Fermions. Fermions are building blocks of matter. Fermions are further divided into quarks and leptons. Quarks combine to form protons and neutrons, while leptons are essential for electrical and chemical processes. The next is bosons. Bosons are force carriers that mediate attraction between particles. Bosons are divided into gluons and photons. Gluons bind quarks together, while photons carry electromagnetic forces.
What is LHC? LHC stands for Large Hadron Collider, which was founded in 2008. It is located in Geneva, Switzerland. It is a ring-shaped tunnel of 27 kilometers. It is capable of accelerating protons to nearly the speed of light before smashing them together, creating new particles.
Now, let's have a look at the structure of Barrel Toroid. Structure. It holds the 8 coils evenly positioned around the beam axis with an outer diameter of 20 meters.
Function. The toroid magnets generate a magnetic field where the muon chambers are accommodated, allowing the study of the muons' properties such as their momentum. Okay. So finally, mind-blowing facts about Large Hadron Collider. 1,232 magnets are present which help to accelerate the particles to nearly the speed of light. Superconducting cables of 250,000 kilometers is used in the LHC. LHC could be considered the largest refrigerator ever created. For proper operation, the magnets need a temperature of minus 456.3 Fahrenheit. To get a temperature as low as minus 456.3 Fahrenheit, 120 tons of liquid helium is needed. Very small black holes and wormholes could form inside the LHC, which can lead to great destruction.
So now I'll tell you about the process that we followed to form the miniature model of Barrel Toroid. It took us quite a lot of time, but anyways, here is the process. The key component was the coil frame, the structure where the copper wire can easily be winded to make the coils. Because of the required size, the coil frame was designed in 2 identical halves with a jigsaw puzzle-like connection between them. To connect the 8 coils, we designed 2 different pieces, an inner strut and an outer strut. 8 inner struts are necessary to make one complete inner ring, while 8 outer struts make up an outer one. These struts were designed with hollow surfaces and holes in order to both resemble the real detector as well as to use less printing material while keeping the structural support.